needs to be radical changes take place at the White House itself. It has to happen.
I know Donald Trump. I don't think there's a racist bone in his body.
What about the alt-left that came charging at the, as you say, the alt-right? Do they have any semblance of guilt?
I have bigots been drawn to you, Mr. Charles, President. Was Trump Tower wiretap?
We invited every single Republican senator on this program tonight, all 52. We asked roughly a dozen House Republicans, including a bunch of committee chairs, and we asked roughly a half dozen former Republican elected officials, and none of them agreed to discuss this issue with us today.
Let's be honest, Republicans often don't really mind coming on Fox News Channel. We couldn't get anyone.
To our viewers, we did reach out to Republican leaders throughout the day. They all, at least for now, they refused to join us.
Do you plan to go to Charlottesville, Mr. President?
Do you think you're helping to heal the nation?
Bother either of you to see Nazis supporting this administration?
We're talking about infrastructure today.
Nazis.
I'm talking about infrastructure.
The President has not yet been able to demonstrate the stability nor some of the competence that he needs to demonstrate in order to be successful. He also recently has not demonstrated that he understands the character of this nation.
What would you say to the President, Congressman, right now?
Apologize.
The President should have immediately denounced the racism, the bigotry, the hatred that he saw in Charlottesville. The President should have done that immediately. And what he did today again, goes back on what he said yesterday, and that's unacceptable. The President was wrong to do that. And I've said that loud and clear.